Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare stew without the use of blender. If you are new here on this channel, please click the subscribe button below and also the bell icon to notify you whenever I upload new videos. As you can see, these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Here I have all my ingredients here. I'll be using hard chicken to prepare this stew. You can use any type of meat of your choice. And these are the other ingredients. As you can see, I have Scotch bonnet pepper, my onions, 2 Maggi. I'll be using one to steam the chicken, and one for the stew. And also this is my chicken spices, as you can see. And here is my garlic powder, and also nutmeg powder. And again, I have thyme here. They are all written in Italian. And also my black pepper. And this is salt. I'll be needing some salt to taste. And this is the mixture of garlic, ginger, and onions. And this is my tin tomatoes. Remember, there is no use of blender in this recipe. I'll be using tin tomatoes. I'm using 2 different types. And also my vegetable oil. You can use any type of oil of your choice. So now let's get started. As you can see, I've already cut and washed my chicken. It's well washed and ready to be cooked. And here is the other pot that I'll be using for my stew. Now I'm going to add all my ingredients to the chicken to start cooking it. Now I'll add 1 Maggi. I'm adding only 1. The other one will be used in the making of the stew. And also my chicken spices. I had a little bit, not too much. And also my garlic powder. I'm not adding the nutmeg to the meat. I'll be using it in the making of the stew. So now I add my thyme. And now the black pepper. Not too much. I always eyeball my ingredients. Now this is the mixture of garlic, ginger, and onion. I always steam my meat with this mixture. So I add that to it again. And now some salt to taste. I don't have a specific measurement for my recipe. So now I add a little bit of water and cover it to start cooking. Now as you can see, my chicken is already cooking. So I mix it together very well to make sure it is well cooked. Then I cover it back again for some minutes. And now my chicken is ready. So I place the other pot on the fire to start cooking my stew. So now it's time for me to add my vegetable oil. And that's what you see me doing. I add enough that I think will be okay for me. Then I add the chicken to fry. Please, I will appreciate it if you click the like button below and also subscribe to this channel. So now my meat is frying. You leave it to fry. As you can see, we are almost there. And now I think it's ready. So I take it out of the oil, as you can see me doing. Then now I'm using the same oil I used to fry the chicken to prepare my stew. And now this is my chopped onion. I add it to the oil. Mix it together. And now it's time for me to add my tomato. I'm using tin tomatoes because there's no use of blender in this recipe, remember. So I'm using this is the tin tomatoes I'm using. You can use any type of or brand of your choice. I'm using 2 different types. So I eat and mix everything together. As you can see, I'm opening the second tin. Now it's time for me to add my scotch bonnet pepper. You can see I've already chopped it. Sometimes I use grounded pepper, that's a dry pepper. You can use any one of your choice. Sometimes I use dried pepper, sometimes I use scotch bonnet. But in today's recipe, I'll be using 2 of them because I want it to be a little bit spicy. I'm using the 2. As I've already said, I don't have a specific measurement for my ingredients. I always eyeball it. So now it's time for me to cover it for at least 10 minutes. And now, as you can see, it's already cooking. You have to be stirring it continuously to avoid burning. You stir it and cover it back again for another minute. And now we are almost there. It's almost done. You stir everything together. And now it's time for me to add my spices. This is where I'll be needing the second Maggi. Remember, I put one in the steaming of the chicken and the other into the stew now. And I add a little bit of thyme again. I like the aroma. I use a lot of thyme in my cooking. And this is where the nutmeg will be needed. I add a little bit of that too. And now, as you can see, I'm not going to add salt again because I'll be using the chicken stock. And remember, we added salt and spices in the stock, so you have to be very careful the way you do it so that it will be moderate. So now you can taste and see how it is before you add another salt. So now I'm putting my meat into the stew. Yes. After putting the meat, then I'll add a little bit of the chicken stock to it, as I said earlier. Then I'll taste to see if I'll be needing more salt or not. You mix everything together very well and cover it in a low heat. This time in a low heat. And now I think we are done. My stew is ready. Yes, my stew is ready, as you can see. So now I prefer transferring my stew to a small and portable pot. So now that's what I'm going to do right now. I place a small and portable pot on the fire again and transfer it into the other one, as you see me doing. So now that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click the like button below and also subscribe to this channel. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.